Wealth isn't built in a moment. It's built through the right decisions made consistently. Markets will rise, markets will fall. But staying invested through changing market conditions is what truly matters. Presenting SIP in SIF. Bringing the discipline of systematic investing to titanium. SIF strategies, built for investors who want more. A simple, disciplined way to invest every month and stay invested through changing market conditions. Because great portfolios aren't built by a single investment. They're built by investing consistently. So here's why you should consider SIP in SIF. Titanium SIF strategies aim to benefit from hedging and short positions, offering the potential for better risk-adjusted outcomes. SIP helps reduce the need to time the market by investing systematically across market cycles and averaging your purchase cost over time. The power of strategy, the discipline of SIP.
Investments in Specialized Investment Fund involves relatively higher risk, including potential loss of capital, liquidity risk, and market volatility. Please read all investment strategy-related documents carefully before making the investment decision.